President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for his support in seeing this through. Also, all the leadership of these security agencies in Nigeria, because quite frankly, I'm still short of words because this has happened all over the country with its challenges. But when it came to Oyo State, it was totally different. The whole world rose and in unison, they kept calling for the safe return of the teachers and the students.